Today is Tuesday, January 8th. The time is 10:16 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Black Football Box Break, break number 2. Good luck, everybody. First card goes to the Bengals. Andy Dalton, serial numbered 188 out of 349. Next for the Colts, an Onyx rookie, serial number 26 out of 49, patch, Kobe Fleener. For the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe, serial number 43 out of 49. Man-to-man goes to the Colts, Reggie Wayne, Jonathan Joseph, serial numbered 311 out of 349. Weaponary for the Cowboys, Dez Bryant, serial number 334 out of 349. Serial number 76 out of 349 for the Seahawks. Prime autograph jersey, Russell Wilson. Nice hit for the Seahawks. Serial number 40 out of 49 for the Bengals. Kevin Zettler, rookie autograph. For the Raiders, serial number 23 out of 99. Jacoby Ford, Marks of Distinction autograph. Serial number 214 out of 299, Onyx rookie. Jersey for the Seahawks, Robert Turbin. For the New England Patriots, serial number 37 out of 99. NFL equipment, dual jersey, Wes Welker. For the Rams, rookie, Corey Harkey, serial number 329 out of 349. For the Buccaneers, Levant David, rookie, serial numbered 135 out of 349. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending tomorrow for football, 2012 Panini Momentum. Also listed for football box breaks, 2012 Panini Absolute, 2012 Panini Rookie Stars and Longevity. I will be listing additional box breaks throughout the week.